Hey, how is it going? This is Farshadnik and you're watching to the Packops. For this video, I want to tell you about Docker tips in production. Number 1. Use Docker System Prune. Docker System Prune will clean your Docker environment. It will remove all unwanted network and image, build cache, and stop container. So it can reduce your space and clean up your Docker environment. Number 2, use official image. Nowadays, everyone tries to make a custom image. So make sure your image is official. Because if you don't, you probably face lots of vulnerability. Number 3, Layer Sanity. In your Docker file, you'd better to remove all downloaded file and downloaded packages after you're done with them. It'll help you to keep your Docker file sanity and you make a smaller image. Number 4, container security scan. Use container security scan tools like Anchor or Claire to make sure your container doesn't have any vulnerability. You can use it in CI/CD pipeline before you put your application in production. Number 5, do not expose extra port. Do not expose extra port like SSH. It's not a good practice to expose your SSH port or something like that. Connect to your container by doing docker exec command. It's safer than exposing your SSH port. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video.